Hey, it's Bo Derek, Detroit radio personality and portfolio manager here at BMW of Ann Arbor. Happy Monday, and today is National Tell a Joke Day. I thought it might be fun to go around the dealership and see if anyone has any jokes. Let's hear them. Hey, Polly, you got a joke for me?
Sure. Do you know what nosy peppers do?
No.
They get jalapeno business.
Love it.
I'm McCade, here's my joke for the day. Skeleton walks into a bar, orders a drink, and a mop.
Hi, I'm Billy, the BMW genius. What did one tectonic plate say to the other tectonic plate after bumping into it?
I don't know.
Sorry, my fault.
All right. Thanks, Billy.
No problem.
Hey, Darren, you have a joke?
Yes.
Go ahead.
What did the snail say riding on the back of the turtle?
Hey, you got a joke for me there, Jim David?
I do.
All right, what you got?
What do you call a used car salesman?
I don't know. What do you call
A car dealologist.
I love it.
That's terrible.
Yeah, it's terrible. Well, there you have it, some hilarity right there, and I think it's apparent now why we don't do stand-up comedy here. We just sell cars and work on your car. Thanks for watching.